so happy.
Yeah.
It's a cargo train.
I already saw a cargo ship.
These ships are just massive.
But I want to see a cargo train.
It's gonna be a long train. Let's start taking it apart again. Disconnect the battery, take the airbox out, and then I'm gonna try to get the throttle body off. And I just undid the throttle cable. So that was pretty straightforward. I just held it down like this, and then I fished it out. And then I unplugged the throttle position sensor. So I just pushed really hard in there, and then I just wiggled it and it came right out. Now the first radiator hose or coolant hose came off the throttle body pretty easy. And I have to take this top heater hose off, which I'm probably gonna regret because it's so old, to get to the underneath throttle body connector and hoses. Okay, I got that heater hose off, and antifreeze is leaking all over, wrecking my nice transmission job. And then I disconnected the white connector right there. Okay, where's the knife? It looks like I have to cut the last two hoses off. I just couldn't get them undone. So I'm gonna cut that one where the knife is, and then the other little one that goes into the engine block, like right there. And I got it out. So now I'll clean up the mess I made with the antifreeze. So I guess it was all rusted. This bottom line, this back one was all messed up, and then I had to cut this thick line. So hopefully I can find a new one. Is it off? So I guess it's pretty grimy. Okay, so I got the screws loose. I bought this at Harbor Freight. I don't think I really needed it, but I did really lean on it and I twisted it, and then I got the screws off without stripping anything. Let's see if we can crack this open without breaking anything. Oh, came open real easy. And there it is. And it's not dirty or gumped up at all. No, there it is. There's the valve in there. Here's the dilemma that I have. This is the original throttle body, and I took the IAC valve off. Here's the new one from the 93 MX6 with low miles, and I took that IAC valve off. As you can see, the valve in there on the new one opens a little bit more, but doesn't close all the way. This is the original one. This one at this temperature is closed almost all the way. See in there? Oh yeah, pretty good. And this one is not closed all the way. There it is. So I'm going to, I think, use the new one. And I was gonna mix and match and put the new one on the original throttle body, but I'm like thinking, well, maybe I should keep the new one on the low mile throttle body, and that should take away any concerns of the idle adjustment screw being off. There's the idle adjustment screw, or the throttle position sensor. Since the new one has one. And of course I had to buy some new parts. So here's a $30 air hose, sorry, $20 air hose that I bought from Mazda dealership. The actual gasket, which is $30. And then the throttle body gasket, which was like $5, not much. And here's the end result. No more surging, no more fast idle. I actually messed with the idle screw. I probably shouldn't have. And that was probably the problem all along, but oh well. I got the new MX6 throttle body on it, an IAC valve, Yeah, so one more thing, check that box. I gotta go focus back on the suspension. What a nice day out. So show me, what car do you want, Alex?
Okay, so I'll look at that car.
No, not that car.
No, I don't. But anyway.
No, somebody smashed that window.
I don't.
What one do you want? Do you want that orange one?
I want.
This orange one? Or this red one? What one?
None.
None. You like that blue car?
No.
Well, you don't like the paint on this car? Or any of them back there?
No.
Or this one? Oh, this Lamborghini. You want this one?
It's my favorite color.
It's your favorite color.
Green.
Man, what is this? I don't even know the type. Murcielago? No. Aventador.
The blue one.
This is the Huracan?
Weird blue one. This is my favorite car because it's a Lamborghini and it's also green, which is my favorite color. And before this video ends,